I really wanted a wedding band set that I could wear when I'm traveling. I'm always afraid of losing my original real diamond gold band set. This one replicates my set very well, and it is so beautiful. The company sent me this as a gift to try, and I am absolutely thrilled. Here's a close-up look at the gold as well as the diamonds. I am in love with the band. I mean, I absolutely love simple, clean jewelry. But let me put these on together so you can see how they would look if you have your engagement ring followed by your wedding band. And this absolutely looks stunning. I don't have big hands. In fact, my ring size is a size 5. And I think this looks so pretty on a smaller hand like mine. It is so beautiful. I want to show you what they look like individually as well. Here is just the engagement band if you want to wear it as such. If you want to buy one as a dinner ring. And let's take a look at just the wedding band. Like I said, since I have small hands, sometimes I think simple jewelry on my hand just looks so much cleaner and nicer and simple. It depends on your style. Over on my other hand, I have a ring that I've had for years. I was given this ring when my son was born, and he is in his 30s. But as you can see, the gold of the real gold compared to this ring is very similar. I know that that's always a concern of mine as well. I want to say the packaging is a bit different for each ring. The wedding band comes in just a simple, sleek box, but I love how the engagement ring comes. It comes with this cleansing cloth, like a little card that can go with it, and the ring comes bagged. But this feature of the box I really love because it slides out like a little dresser drawer. See, it's got this nice little tab, and you just pull the drawer out, where the wedding band comes in a box with the nice sides to be able to save it and store it in here. It's got the black velvet pad as well as the little baggie for you to keep when you pack your jewelry. So they are very nicely packaged, and they are just beautiful rings.